This video tutorial I will explain what is proxy, forward proxy and reverse proxy. Now we will see what is proxy. Proxy is an intermediary server or software that acts as a middleman between user's device and the internet. Example of user devices are computer or smartphone. When you send a request to access the website or online resource, instead of connecting directly to the destination server, your request goes through the proxy server first. The proxy then forward your request to the destination server and receive the response from destination server and send it back to you. And proxies are commonly used for various purposes, including improving security, enhancing privacy, hashing content, and controlling access to resources. Now we will see forward proxy. Forward proxy is also known as proxy server or simply a proxy. Forward proxy sits between user device and the internet. When user requests to access the website or online service, the request is first sent to forward proxy, and the forward proxy server then forwards the request to the destination server on behalf of the user. And forward proxies are often used by individuals and organizations to control access to the internet, filter the content, mask IP addresses, and improve the performance through hashing. Now we will see what is reverse proxy. Reverse proxy is similar to forward proxy but operates in the opposite direction. Instead of sitting between user device and the internet, reverse proxy sits between the internet and one or more backend servers. When user sends request to access the website or online service, the request goes through the reverse proxy first. The reverse proxy then forward the request to appropriate backend servers based on predefined rules such as load balancing, content hashing, or security policies. Reverse proxies are commonly used to improve scalability, reliability, and security for web applications and services. In summary, proxies act as a intermediary between users and the internet and forwarding requests and responses between the two. Forward proxies sit between users and the internet, while reverse proxies sit between the internet and the backend servers. Both types of proxies serve different purposes but are essential components of modern networking and web infrastructure. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.